boss slave.
Yeah, ho, 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 ho.
Ain't gonna drip. Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? They turned it to 60. How much you got on you? They left me to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? They came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money. So good people, and welcome back to the channel. So we're at Mavis, about to get another alignment. I hit up the company and they said that the control arms were upside down. So they said I had it set up for a lift. Rather than it being for a drop. So the upper control arms had to go in and flip them to like 30 minutes or so. But yeah, now that it is dead center on everything, is sitting how it was whenever it was maxed out. So let's hope today that when I go to align it, it sits in the green where it needs to sit. So we got all that taken care of. So right now I'm waiting for them to open. Told me my appointment's at 9, so waiting on that currently right now. And then we want to get our line and show y'all the difference on it. Drop a video right now. Alright, so as I told y'all, so as we got on alignment, so that was the first one right there. That's the old alignment. So whenever it was flipped the other way, and then this is a new one. So this is the original of me putting all the suspension on. This is after I aligned it right here. So that's with the control arms flipped in the wrong direction. So after we put everything on yesterday, had to redo everything. That's where we're sitting. A little bit better. Got some stuff in the green. See over here. And red over here. Got yellow. But this one, you see the numbers are totally different. So this is yesterday's. This was originals. So then, here it is after they aligned the last time. And then here it is now. So everything is pretty much in the green. This, I don't know what's going on with this when they print it off. This was actually closer. It was like at that part of yellow, but on the screen. But once it printed off, that's what it came off to. But yeah, I don't know what's up with that, because it was like 2.8 or something like that. It was where it needed to be. So once it printed off, that's what it came out to. But other than that, it's riding a lot better now. Like I said, as y'all seen on the video I just posted and pictures I just took, that's the way it needs to be set up if you're dropped. Like I said, they said the grease fittings are easier to get to, but you need a 90-degree fitting for when you do the grease ports and everything. So keep that in mind as well. But yeah, there we are. Got everything aligned, set, and where it needs to be now. Like I said, ride smooth, it's straight on, so ain't got no complaints. So big thanks to Spindle Source for responding back to me when I reached out to them about the situation of what's going on. They kept everything professional, told me everything needs to be done. My biggest thing is please put instructions in the box whenever you send the parts off, or at least send a QR code or something. But hopefully y'all see my videos that I've been doing and that kind of help the next person out. So I'm just gonna leave the video at that. It's pretty much an update. Told y'all I'd get an update in the last video that I did. So if you didn't see that, go back to it, check everything out, and then yeah, continue on. So anyway, till next time, keep macking. Peace.
boss slave. Mafia, yeah, ho, 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 ho,